How to enable super fast charging on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you are using wireless charging, let's check, it's charging and it's a fast wireless charging. But to enable this option, you have to go to your setting, batteries, then charging setting, then you can see fast wireless charging. If you disable it, then it's not a super fast. But if you enable super fast charging, then you can see it's fast charging. But to enable super fast charging on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you need to use 45 watt. This is Anchor 45 watt. You see, it's a nano to a 45 watt charger. Now let's connect it with my Samsung device, and it's a 20 watt iPhone. So let's check for both charger. So first charge with 45 watt, then you can see it's charging. Now let's say it's a super fast charging. It's need 50 minute, 41% already done. Now need 50 minute. Now let's try with 20 watts charger. If I insert it, then you can see it's a fast charging. So to enable your super fast charging, you just need this 45 watt charging. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.